You know you shouldn't eat spicy foods or have caffeine before you go to bed, but that's not all you should avoid. Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz60. Here are some other foods and drinks that'll keep you up at night according to the Daily Meal. Foods with sugars, so basically most desserts. Things like chocolate cake and ice cream will change your blood sugar level and affect your sleep. They're also loaded with fat, which will lead to an overactive digestive system as your body tries to break it down. Any and all fried food, it'll give you heartburn, especially fried onions. That's a heartburn disaster waiting to happen. You're better off having that steak or burger for lunch. Red meat is high in protein and fat, which take time to digest. Watch out for some of those healthy options too. Lots of people eat dried fruit as a substitute for dessert, but that can also have sugar. Plus, the high fiber can bloat your stomach. Speaking of bloating, movie popcorn. Natural and air-popped is fine, but movie theater popcorn has added toppings like salt, butter, and cheese that make you bloated and thirsty. Which brings me to water. It's great for you, but if you have too much before bed, you'll have to use the bathroom and your REM cycle will get all thrown off. And lastly, alcohol. Yes, lots of drinking can lead you to passing out cold, but the sleep you'll get won't be restful. Plus, you'll wake up even more hungover, and then you have a whole new set of problems. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.